Got a little magnet here. I know the laser contains a little bit of gold. A little green board in here might pass as peripheral. You definitely have some gold over there. Some monolithic capacitors. I've talked about those in the past. They sell for quite a bit. I recently sold about 12 ounces of those for about 80 bucks. There's gold in this connector here, gold in here. You have some IC chips. That's good. Again, some wire. If you look in all these little crevices, it's all a bunch of gold in here. Again, you have those very nice big monolithic capacitors that you find on these PlayStation motherboards. Get some nice IC chips, some gold in the connectors here, HDMI, Ethernet, little hard drive connection, some more gold there, some more gold in here. Overall, quite a bit of valuable stuff. Some more monolithic capacitors here. But like I said, it's working. Do not do anything to this. There's a small board in here. Gold pins here. In these connections here, we have some gold. You have a little IC chips. Other than that, there's a motor, small motor. Actually, two of them. There's one small motor here, another one here. And then the laser, which has a little bit of more gold in there. Then we have the main piece with the motherboard. This little guy here is interesting because it has quite a bit of gold. If you open up this little protective shield here, you'll see there's plenty of sorry, not copper, but gold here. There's a little bit of gold here. There's gold in here. I don't know if you can see it, but there's gold in there. Now on the motherboard itself, there's IC chips, got a little bit of copper. Definitely there's gold in the USB ports here, definitely. There's gold in the connectors in the back. Video, audio connectors and whatnot, and surprisingly there's quite a bit of steel that you can scrap. So unlike the PlayStation, the Xbox 360, very simple to take apart.